So recently I've just been absorbing a ton of content, and I've been really focused, so hyper-focused on testing out different things for different platforms. And YouTube for me is going to be no exception. And I've been recently discovering creators that I've been super inspired by because they're creating content that they want to create. They're creating content that is true to them, that is everything that they're about, and really forces them to try different things, but also out of their comfort zones. And I think that that's something that I lack, and it's something that I need to do. With the addition of this I almost said 10-18. With the addition of this 16 to 35 lens, I'm able to capture a lot more of me and a lot more of what I'm about. And I bought this lens because we need it for the business, right? Because if we do podcasts, if we do interviews, right? Or we need that wide angle, we have it now. But I also bought it personally so that I can challenge myself. The widest that I had prior to buying this lens was the Tamron 28-75, and 28 doesn't really capture a lot. And this, I think right now, based on a quick glance, is probably at like 18-20 or so millimeters, and you're able to see a lot more life. And going forward on my Instagram, you're going to see a lot of really wide angle shots because I want to challenge myself to see how much life I can get, how much context I can get, whether that's a portrait, whether that's what I'm doing. And I think part of being now a year into entrepreneurship, I just want to document. And to me, if that's recording this vlog in the car, I'm okay with that because I know that this isn't going to hit the world and this isn't going to be this viral video. But I think being a year into entrepreneurship and knowing now how important it is to document as we do as a company, I want to do that for myself too. And having this lens, I'm able to just take this lens and do darn near everything with it. And I want to just force myself out of my comfort zone and challenge myself in different ways to try new things. And I think both with photography, which I haven't been challenged as much recently because company-wide we do a lot of video more so than photo, so I haven't really forced myself to take a good photo in a while, but also just video-wise, filming out and about, filming more vlog style stuff like this where it's just me documenting my life, because that's why I initially started to vlog, was to just document and show like this is where I am today, this is where I'm gonna be. And the importance of just getting started is so critical, and being able to put yourself out there on day one, which is today, which is yesterday, which I should have started 3 months ago, is huge. And I've been doing it somewhat on LinkedIn video, but I also want to do it here on YouTube. And I think that's really important for me to just bridge that gap of YouTube for me and Twitch for me is a very gaming focused thing, but it's also like documenting and showing my journey. So there's going to be moments where like, yeah, it's a great YouTube video and I'm going to have a lot of like reviews and things that you're used to seeing on this channel if you are subscribed and do watch all of my content. But I also want to show reality, and I want to show me as me and who I am and growing through this process. I think that now more than ever is just a turning point of me growing into a man that owns a business. Whereas before it was me learning what it's like to own a business. Now it's I need to step up. I need to be that leader. And that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to document and take you all through that journey. And I'm really excited to just do stuff like this and document more, and not only do more content and be that leader for the company, but also be that leader for myself and force myself to do these things. So keep me accountable. Hit me up on the social medias. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the internet.